Venn diagram, a diagram which represents sets, relation on sets, and operation on sets is known as a Venn diagram. In a Venn diagram, the universal set is denoted by a rectangle. Its subset by circles and the elements by the points kept inside it. Let's see example. Okay, let universal set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We already talked about universal set in previous class. Universal set is denoted by capital letter U. And let's subset A equals to 1, 2, 3. Okay, how to show this two relation in Venn diagram? Okay, you can see on the screen. This green rectangle is represent universal set, so A is subset of universal set, so that circle which represent A inside of universal set. Okay, now elements of A you have to write inside the circle, and that remaining elements of you have to write outside of the circle and inside of the rectangle. Okay, let's see next example. Okay, let A equals to 1, 2, 3, 4 and B equals to 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, these two sets are overlapping sets, you can see. So for overlapping sets, you have to draw these types of Venn diagram. This green rectangle is universal set. I already told about this. Now, this A and B are overlapping sets, so you have to draw circle in this way. So this common part represent for common elements like this. Look, so 3 and 4 are common, so you have to write 3 and 4 in common part of A and B. Now what we have to write in remaining part of A? Obviously remaining elements of A. Okay, similarly we will write remaining elements of B in remaining parts of B. Okay, so next example. Okay, let M equals to A, B, C, D, E and N equals to G, H, I. Now you can see these two sets are disjoint sets. Yes, there are no common. So for this, you will draw Venn diagram like this. Look, the two circles are not overlapping. They are separated and both are inside universal set. And universal set is represented by rectangle. Okay, now for next example, let P equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and Q equals to 2, 4, 6, 8. So you can see here elements of Q. All the elements of Q represent or contained by QP. So Q is subset of P. So for this, you will draw Venn diagram like this. Look, Q is inside of P and all the elements of Q you will write inside Q and remaining elements of P you will write in inside P and outside of Q. Okay, now next, set operation. Okay, today we will talk about set operation. There are four types of set operations: one, union of sets, intersection of sets, difference of sets, complement of sets. Okay, so we will discuss only about two: union of sets and intersection of sets, and two more we will discuss in next video. Okay, now union of sets. Let A and B be any two non-empty sets. The union of the set A and B denoted by A union B. Look, I have written by red color A union B. So this symbol is called union, or you can say cup also. A cup B is a new set with elements belonging to either set A or set B or both. Okay, let's go through example. Okay, for example, let A equals to ABCD and B equals to CDEF. Okay, so how to find A union B? Okay, A union B. So for A union B, look, you can write like this: A union B equals to ABCD union CDEF. So here you can see what A union B is a new set with elements belonging to either A or set B or both. That means we will combine all the elements of A and B without repeating, like this. Look, A, B, C, D, E, F. I have combined elements of A and B, and without repeating I have written elements. So now we already discussed how to represent, how to place the elements in Venn diagram. Similarly, how to represent this union of set in Venn diagram. Look, you can see on the screen. Look, we have already discussed how to place the elements of A and B, intersection part CD, and remaining elements of AB you will write here, remaining elements of B you will write here, and this shading part represent A union B. Okay, next example. Let A equals to 1 3 5 6 7 8 and B equals to 3 5 7 9 11 and C equals to 7 8 9 10. Now, so A union B union C. And this way we'll write 1 3 5 6 7 8 union 3 5 7 9 11 union 7 8 9 10. So similarly, for A union B union C, we will combine all the elements of A, B, C without repeating. You can see on the screen. So A union B union C is 1 3 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Okay, so just before we have learned how to place the elements in Venn diagram of two sets. Now we have three sets. So all three sets are overlapping sets. So we will draw these types of Venn diagram. Okay, this A, B, C are overlapping. So we will overlap the circles. Okay, you can see this middle part is common part for all three sets. Yes, so what is common? Yes, you can see 7 is common in all, so we will write 7 in this common part of all. So next, let's see what are common in A and B. In this part we will write common in A and B. Okay, so 3 5 7 are common in A and B. 7 we already have written, so 3 and 5 we will write in this remaining part. Similarly, what are common in B and C? In this part we will write elements common in B and C. Okay, you can see 7 and 9. 7 and 9 are common in B and C. So 7 already we have written. So 9 we will write in this remaining parts. Okay, similarly for A and C. You can see on the screen, in A and C, 7 and 8 are common. Yes, 7 and 8 are common. 7 already we have written. So in this remaining part of A and C, we will write 8 only. Okay, so let's see what are remain elements in A only. Okay, 1 and 6. 1 and 6 only remain. So already we have written 5 7 8. You can see in Venn diagram also 3 5 7 8 we already written and remain 1 6. So this circle is represent A. Yes, 1 3 5 6 7 8. Okay, similarly in B, so 11 is remain. So 11 you will write in this B, and you can see once again what are the elements of B? 3 5 7 9 11. So this whole circle is remain. Whole circle is 3 5 7 9 11. Now similarly for C. Okay, 10 is remain in C. So we will write 10 in this remaining part. Again, let's see what are the elements of C. 7 8 9 10. So this circle represent C. Okay, in this way we will place the elements for three subsets. Okay, now let's set the parts for A union B union C. Okay, this whole part is represent, the setting part is represent A union B union C. Okay, now intersection of sets. Okay, let A and B be any two non-empty sets, then intersection of two sets A and B denoted by A intersection B, or you can say A cap B is a new set with elements belonging to both the sets A and B. For example, let A equals to A, B, C, D and B equals to C, D, E, F. So this time A intersection B equal to A, B, C, D intersection C, D, E, F. Yes, you can see C, D are common. So new set is C, D. Common in A intersection B, we will write only common elements. Okay, so how to represent this intersection in Venn diagram? Look in this way, this common part only intersection of Venn diagram, intersection of sets. Okay, this shading part which is set by pink color, this represent intersection of set. Okay, now let's see next example of three sets. Let A equals to 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8 and B equals to 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and C equals to 7, 8, 9, 10. So A intersection B intersection C. We will write all the common elements of A, B, C. What are the common elements of A, B, C? So 7 is common element for A, B, C. Okay, now Venn diagram for this A intersection B intersection C is this common part. Okay, this common part. This is 7 is common in all the three sets. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video and you have understood also. Thank you.